Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Telmisartan, a medication you might be interested in if you have high blood pressure. Telmisartan is like a hero that fights high blood pressure, also called hypertension. It can also help prevent heart attacks and strokes in some. So how does this hero work? It blocks a chemical in your body that makes your blood vessels narrow. By blocking it, your blood vessels relax and open up, making it easier for blood to flow and lowering your blood pressure. It's important to follow your doctor's instructions about how much medicine to take. Usually, you start with 40 milligrams once a day, but some people may need up to 80 milligrams a day to control their blood pressure. Always take it at the same time, with or without food. Now let's talk about side effects. Some people may feel dizzy, tired, or have an upset stomach. If you notice anything more serious, like swelling in your arms or legs, trouble breathing, or you faint, see a doctor right away. Remember, don't stop taking Telmisartan on your own, even if you feel good. Check your blood pressure regularly and live a healthy lifestyle. In short, Telmisartan is a great tool for controlling high blood pressure. Use it correctly and always talk to your doctor if you have any questions. Take care and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.